too good. I feel like I look so light. Winter is really showing up on the skin, but oh my gosh guys, I have been breaking out so bad the last 2 days. I'm not someone that breaks out, so if I get like more than one spot, I'm like, what's happening? We're back to do some makeup today. I think we're going to keep it really simple, really soft, but we're going to focus on the lip. I've been wanting to do a red lip for a long time, so that's what we're going to do today. That's the vibe I'm feeling, so let's get into it. I've already moisturized, of course. My brows are kind of thick today, but we're going to let her do what she does. And let's get into the face. Since it's here, we're just going to use the e.l.f. primer. This is the Power Grip primer. It's a nice generous amount. So for foundation, we're going to use our Charlotte Tilbury A Beautiful Skin foundation. This is perfect for the look I'm going for. I feel like this is also perfect for like, if you want to do a little Christmas glam but you don't want to do too much, just do a cute little everyday face and put on a good lip. Like, that's all you need. So I'm going to just pop this on. This is the first day this like autumn winter that I can actually see on my face that, yeah, it's giving winter skin tone. But let's just blend this all into the skin. I want to give very flawless, very soft and just seamless. I'm really going to work on and make sure I'm doing like good blending. So I'm just going to tap this in nicely. I just popped 2 clips on so that this hair can kind of stay out my face. I hate to even put foundation on top of like any like spots I have, but such is life. And just giving me a little color back. I'm going to go in with my Pat McGrath bronzer. This is in the shade Bronze Mahogany. I'm just going to go over my eyes just very gently, just to mattify them and just give them a little something on there. It's giving it a little bit of depth but still keeping it quite natural. The reason why I didn't leave it blank was because I find that when I do like a full face of makeup and I leave my eyes like without anything, sometimes it just looks a bit off, and I feel like this way it still looks natural but everything ties in seamlessly. Okay, we've put on lashes. I want to try something a little bit different. I want to try something different with my concealer. So I'm using my Say Hydra Beam concealer, and I'm just going to do a little layer of this first. I kind of want to try a different technique with my concealer today. So I'm going to start with this under the eyes. I'm going to try and do something a little more understated. I'm using my Magic Touch concealer in the shade 18 from ABH. I'm just in the mood to try something a little bit softer. I'm going to go in with my Say bronzers today. These are the Say bronzers in dark and deep bronze, and I'm going to go ahead and start bronzing my cheeks. I don't know, I feel like I want full glam but something soft. I don't know, I just wanted to try like a different type of technique and different way of doing my makeup. You know, sometimes you just want to switch it up. So I'm just going to go into both. I'm using the Say base brush. Press it in. I prefer to use this bronzer when I have like less makeup on the skin, because I feel like just the finish of it is quite glowy, but I kind of want to see, I don't know, we're just working, okay? I am going to use my NARS bronzer for my forehead bronzer and my nose. Just because this bronzer has much more of like a matte vibe. It's still glowy, but the Say bronzer is very like glowy. And then use the bottom side and blend in that bronzer. I'm just going to blend that in as well. And now I'm going to go ahead and blend this nose contour. I'm going to go in with a little bit of a lighter concealer, just a tiny bit in the inner corner. To set, I'm going to use my Huda powder in Kunafa like I always use. I'm going to go in with my bronzer. I'm going to go into the Pat McGrath bronzer that we used for the eyes. I love the way it looks. When I first purchased this, I was really not sure about it, but looks are deceiving because you wouldn't think this would do this. Because when I first saw it, I was like, is it really going to bronze me? But no. It really has a way of just bronzing the face, but not looking too red. I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier and do my second step with powder. Okay, while that sits for a second, let's go for blush. I was gonna go for my NARS, but since we're gonna do a statement red lip today, I think I'm gonna go into my Pat McGrath Paradise Venus. I really cannot open these without nails, it's crazy. But I'm gonna apply this. It's like a really pretty, like, this is like a, if you want a blush that's kind of like more everyday, like neutral, this is really nice. It's like super pretty. It's so pretty. I just love it. Apply that in an upward style. And to finish off the powder, I'm using my Fenty powder in 450. And then the last thing I think I'm going to do for the eyes is just some low lash line mascara. I really should have applied that mascara at the end because it's not waterproof, but we're just going to have to duck and dodge. I always have to wipe off any excess makeup on my lips because I just think it just messes up the combo. I always moisturize my lips like with a lip oil or lip balm before I start filming, and then when I go to put on the lipstick or lip gloss combo, I wipe it completely off because I think that's how you get a more long-lasting lip combo. But anyway, we're going to go into a red. So I have two choices of reds that I'm looking at. I have this Fenty, what is it called? The MVP Fenty Icon lipstick, and this is like a really pretty red, like a blue red. It's a liquid lip though. It reminds me of, like, remember Colourpop? Like, it reminds me of that. That is, ooh, that is MVP. I feel like it's a bit bright though for what I want. I think I want something more dark and like cranberry vibes. And then I have this combo, which I literally love so much. This is from the MAC Tiana Taylor collection. And this is, I think, a Rose in Harlem. I think I'm going to go for a lipstick today. And then that second one is the Rose in Harlem. It's a little bit more orange actually. And then I also have the lip gloss, and this lip gloss is called, I don't know what it's called, but it's from the same collection. And it's such a pretty like deep red. Yeah, I think I'm going to go for a red glossy lip. I just love that colour. So that last colour is the dark red. I think I'm going to go for the lipstick. So I think I'm going to do a lipstick and then this lip gloss on top. So for me, when I do a red lip, I like to do a really dark liner because I like that kind of like ombre vibe of my lipstick. If I do a regular brown, like just a deep brown, or if I just do a regular lip liner, I feel like it just doesn't give my lips enough depth. My lower lip definitely is very pink, so I think especially when it comes to like doing a bold statement lip, I really need to define because it can just kind of look very like washed out, which I don't like. I think I'm gonna try this Fenty lip liner, even though I'm scared because this lip liner is very testy. Like it lasts really long, but it doesn't really blend. You have to blend it really fast. And then the sharpening situation, guys, I use a regular sharpener that just has like two shapes, and I use the smallest one, but it still doesn't sharpen like in the best way, but all I can do is try. So I'm gonna pop this on and focus mainly on the outer parts of the lip, and it just like, I don't know, man, it just doesn't apply. It really just doesn't apply well. So now I'm gonna go in with the lipstick, the red lip, and I'm just gonna go on top. I feel like when it comes to lipsticks, MAC are so good at doing a good lip. Like Ruby Woo will forever be top tier. I actually have her back here. Like I will always keep her on deck, but we're gonna go with this one. Okay, that's what we've got so far. I'm not mad at it. I am gonna go over it with a lip gloss, so that's gonna kind of deepen it up. I'm gonna go in with my Richie liner and just make sure up top here is defined. Okay, so this is the lip that we have. I'm loving it. I think I love it. I'm not sure. Wait. It's so sensual and so like classy but pretty. I feel like with a red glossy lip, it's so easy to get it wrong because it can look kind of cheap, but this looks good. This lip gloss just hits because I feel like you could get this look with any type of red lipstick, honestly, with just a really dark liner. Just find yourself a really deep red gloss and go on top. Yeah, too good. I want to see if I can link a similar deep red gloss. MAC, do you know what? If MAC has one, I'm definitely going to link it because MAC lipsticks, lip glosses, they're quality is always there. The lips are literally doing everything. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's makeup video. We did something very simple, cute, soft glam with a statement lip. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This is so different for me. You guys know I love me a brown lip combo. That's me. I'm a brown lip combo queen. But this is giving. It's like next level. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give me a nice thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.